Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome to my organization. This is NK. Today I'm going to show you how to crack your saved Windows save Wi-Fi password from your Windows. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, and if I want to see my Wi-Fi password, I cannot visit it from here. It's a simple hacks to find out your Wi-Fi password from Windows 7. So if you don't subscribe the channel before, please subscribe it and stay closer with us. In the next video I will show you how to get saved your Wi-Fi, how to crack your saved Wi-Fi password from your smartphone. So let's do it. First you have to go your computer, Windows control panel here. Now go to network and sharing center from here. As you can see this. Okay, my Wi-Fi connected Wi-Fi name is HKJBFD username. So I just click on the right of the top, manage wireless network here. As you can see, manage wireless networks. I just click on it, and there are various names in my network. 2020 virus mine, and this is my connected Wi-Fi network is KJBFD. So I just click on it and double click on it and click on the right mouse and properties. Click on properties. Here you can see the connection and the security level. No need to click anywhere in connection, just click on the security option, and you can find your Wi-Fi password, network security key, like this case. Sorry, again, here and properties, now securities, and just click on the dialog box names show characters here. Now we can see the Wi-Fi password from here. It's Manik1255. Okay friends, that's it. That's your Wi-Fi password. If you enjoy the video and or the video will help you, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. If comment if you have any problem. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?